Hello. Welcome back to what's new in Business Center 2022 release wave 1. And today we'll talk about a great feature that's added in the product around context aware links in Help Pan from Microsoft and partners. So in 2022 release wave 1 with Business Central, now you'll be able to serve context aware links to guide and learn for the users that are using the system for the first time, and it flattens the learning curve and unblocks the individual user to perform his daily activities in a more optimized way. So if you are a new user who don't know much about the system, with new enhancement into help and support, the Business Central environment will be able to guide you to where you should go, where you should look for the info. If you are a partner, with this release, it also allows partner to contribute into that help panel that's available in Business Center. So now the new context aware content will be powered by new and modern help pane. It's a similar experience like other Microsoft offering like Microsoft Excel and Words. And the good news for partners is that they can also configure their content to be available into the help pane if required. So this way, the help pane becomes more to go to place to get unblocked. So if you haven't looked at the help panel in the previous releases, there was certain enhancement done, but it's kind of more enhanced in this release. So let's open Business Central and understand what I'm trying to say. So this is my Business Central environment and the customer page is right now open. So when I'm on customer page, if I'm a user who deals with customers every day, but I'm pretty new into it and I don't know much about this page, how it operates and things like that, then I can always go from here and do a help. As soon as I do that, the first section that I see talks about what this page is about. This is about customer, what it does, what kind of info is available here. The user, if it is new, would like to understand what kind of help Microsoft and partners have baked in into this page. You can always take a tour, which will take you to the tool that we have talked about in the another video about what's new in 2022 release wave 1 and how this hyperlink became active. It's also part of a another video in the same series. You should see a link to that on the top of the ribbon. Now, other than that, the user can surely go to the Microsoft Docs, which will take him to the exact page which talks about that particular screen where it is. And if there is a Microsoft video around it, that will also be part of it. So it kind of walks through the user what the space does, what uh, how you need to navigate through it. The second part of this page then talks about the related resources, like when you are creating a customer, then you surely need a number. So how you set up number series, how you set up catch customers, and then it does contain a video, and all these links are available on that page itself. So if somebody navigates to this, it takes it to the Microsoft Help on Microsoft Docs. The third one is other resources about help and support, keyboard shortcuts. If you are new, you need to understand what the keyboard shortcuts is. And the last but not least is community, which will take you to the Microsoft community where you can see what questions people have, you can understand. It's a place where you can ask questions as customers, as developers and users, and the community helps you to kind of, based on their experience and knowledge, uh, provide you suggestions on how to do this and that. So that all kind of baked in into that page, but it's not static. It's not just that it's hard coded and will be available on every page. If you navigate to vendors, the help panel will also update itself that now you are on vendors and how you do things around it. If you move to, let's say, chart of account, this will show you the related info about the chart of account. What is chart of account? Do you want to take a tour around it? You want to go to Microsoft Talks about how to set up chart of account and things like that. So all this is available. One thing before I forget about it, because I'm a shortcut guy. I like to work more from my keyboard. The help panel can always be triggered from your keyboard shortcut Control plus F1. So like any other Microsoft product, if you click Control F1, your help panel will pop up. The cool part, it doesn't go away when you navigate through application. So if I'm on a page, it will stay and will not go away until unless I as a user don't want it to go away and close it. But that all looks good. But what about partners? Because in the beginning I said that there is a way that partners can also enhance this help and support panel based on the need. So what I've done is I have added a small demo about it. So what I've done is I've added a page called STH items, which is kind of a copy of the items page, right? Now this page that I have added is a part of extension that I have built. So while building the extension, I can do certain things like, and I can surely define the demo about this page as in the teaching tip part of it. But at the same time, when I click Control F1, this page will provide info about what I have added into it. Now this is providing info based on what the developer or the partner who built this decided what they wanted to see on help. So you see a title of the page, which I've said demo items, and then there is a text around it. There's something in bold, something in italics, and we have talked about it in the other video. So you should see that. Then at the same time, there's a take a tour. So it will invoke the tour that I have built for this particular page. Okay, got it. Okay. Once you are done with the tour, there is also, because it's not a Microsoft page, it's a page defined by partner. So Microsoft cannot have the Microsoft docs linked into it. So if you know where Microsoft have it, you can surely utilize that capability of Microsoft of utilizing the same resources. Just for the demo purpose, this is you should never do. I'm just navigate it to one of the page on my blog. So when I click on it, it'll navigate to my blog on one of the page that's available there. But the idea is that if you have a website hosted where you have all the help about your ISV or the app that you have built, you can actually navigate to that particular website. And then user can surely read it through what's written over there and then understand the functionality at the same time, because this page is a part of an ISV or an app which is not from Microsoft. What it also brings into the picture is from where this app is, the app name, which is what's new demo, and the app publisher, which is me in this case, will be displayed on the help and support page. Rest panel remains same, the last panel. So as a partner, you can enhance or change the first two tabs which are available as a part of your extension that's there. So hope that makes sense. And let's understand how I did this. So let me open my VS Code. So what I've done is I've created a page. On the top, I have added a about title and a about text. When you see the about title, that's kind of being displayed here, and the about text is being displayed here. Now the next is that I have also added some about title and text on some field which enables my teaching tip feature. Other than that, just to make sure how this one comes up, there are two parts of it. The first thing is you need to go to your app.json and define the root URL of your help website, which is context sensitive help URL. So this is the root URL which will be automatically appended to each help link that's generated. Now based on this URL, then on my page which I have built, I've added the context sensitive help page. So this is the base URL, and so when user clicks on it, what will be generating is this plus this. So if you have a website hosted where you have help about your app, where there are different pages which talks about different areas in your extension, then you can define each help directly to that page rather than going into a big help article and then trying to figure out where that is. So here I'm navigating it to one specific page on this particular website or blog. So that way user get that context exactly where he would like to go and understand what this page or what the help as a partner you are trying to provide around it. Now this is not just limited to the pages. If you would like, you can still do a page extension where you can have the similar kind of experience of if this particular thing happens where it should navigate. In that scenario, this will be the Microsoft link, but a user can surely navigate to your help using this link. So this also takes you to that same page which you have attached. So in case of page extension, this will be your custom URL where user can navigate, and here it will be the Microsoft Docs links because that's the main page is about. So while you are building your pages and page extension, you can surely attach your custom help links and URLs to better support your customers in their onboarding activities as they are new to the system. So let me know what you feel about this feature. Is there anything that you think I haven't covered in the previous video also? I can surely do a whole demo while I'm talking about it if you are interested. So let me know all that in comment section. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel. There are very few subscribers to this channel, and sometimes it feels like nobody's watching these videos. If you have already subscribed, please do share the video, and I'll see you next time with the next video on what's new in 2022 release wave 1.